This is ridiculous. He forced me here.
Time to go. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not doing this.
Most people would think that at a police station where all the officers usually congregate and get ready, there would be no disturbances. But actually, it's a lot more common than you think. But very rarely does it turn out that you end up needing 6 officers to calm one person down, and then the lieutenant has to take them into custody. This is one of those.
Get out of here. I'm not talking to you. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Hey, I'm Lieutenant Moss. Will you come over here and talk with me? What's going on, Nathan?
I'm not getting in a fucking confined space.
No, you're fine, man. I just want to talk with you, figure out what's going on. Just sit on my body camera's rolling, okay, so we're talking. So what's going on today?
A police officer who didn't make 300-foot signals. That's a crime, right? Because I got pulled over multiple times for that.
Okay.
Okay, so I was following him. I was recording him.
Okay.
He pulls over in the middle of a roadway. I stop because if I go around him, he's going to pull me over, correct?
Not if it's
Okay, whatever. He gets 8 police officers to pull up on me and intimidate me. They pull me out the car, they handcuff me, they push me up against the car, and they fucking reach into all my fucking pockets trying to find my wallet. Can't find my wallet, it's in my fucking pocket.
First off, you see this person who's completely amped up, who's inside the police station. This unit of a lieutenant who's in plain clothes is really working well at de-escalating this situation. In spite of some things that you might see that you see me say all the time, well, there is no pat down, I believe the lieutenant is actually doing these things because he doesn't want to amp the guy up, and he believes that he's able to control the situation by just this visual. And you can still have the uniform officers out of eye shot, but still ready to go into a tactical whatever they need to do. Another really interesting thing is I'm hearing some active listening skills from lieutenants, specifically something that's called minimal encouragers. You'll see them engaging with eye contact, but they'll also say things like, okay, to show that you're actually listening. This guy looks like he's definitely going through something. Lieutenant's doing a really good job so far.
Scream, cuss, push me. Oh, as far as almost punched me. Put his finger on a taser. Intimidate me.
Okay. So, I wasn't out there, man, so
I know you weren't out there. Unprofessional conduct.
Okay.
Impeachable conduct.
Okay.
First of all, if a citizen did that to a police officer, would they get shot? Would they get fucking jail time? So all this fucking police immunity, all this fucking bullshit you guys have is ridiculous.
It's Nathan, right?
I want him to leave.
You see, we get eye contact with the uniform officers, and lieutenant's still trying to divert it back. This is exactly what police, I love seeing this kind of stuff. This is good here.
Step in there, stuff. Okay, dude. So I guess my question is, Nathan, I've never met you, man. I don't know who you are.
I'm manic. And I'm pissed off. You know why? Because I moved. Your police officers, your fucking sheriff told me to leave this town if I don't like the police discrimination. You know what happened? I did. You know what happens? I come back today to show a house, and you people pull me the fuck over because I'm following a police officer. Fucking pigs.
I don't know what all went on out there. I haven't had.
Right, you don't know what happens. You don't know, but you're on their side. You're on your people's side.
I'm not saying that.
Whatever.
But there's routes to go about getting this addressed.
Routes, and they're FOIAs, and you hide behind your FOIAs.
Tone, perfect, calm, reason, and still tactically in a position that if he has to do something, he can, and the other officers are out of eye shot. Very good stuff, and no crossfire.
What needs to happen is they need to be imprisoned right now.
And here's the thing, man. If they're committing criminal offenses, there's a way to go about that. You file a citizen's complaint.
Okay, give it to me.
Okay, let me give it to you.
God damn, what's with the attitude?
You're getting met with what you're given.
Okay.
Okay?
You're a fucking public servant.
You're not going to come in and treat my civilian staff like that.
They're civilians.
Fill it out.
They're in the same place you are.
Okay, fill it out and get it back to me.
Pen.
Time to go.
Pen.
You can fill your own pen, dude.
I'm filling it out.
Time to go. You can do that and bring it back. Time to go.
What's your fucking problem, dude?
I'm telling you to leave the lobby. Go.
Why?
Because you're causing an issue.
Causing an issue? Your police officers cause an issue. Yet you don't get the same response to them.
And I'm telling
this motherfucker.
And I'm telling you, Carry on.
I believe this lieutenant likely has what's called crisis intervention training, which is a certified, standardized training. You get a pin, and every department's pin is different. This was my department from Las Vegas, and sometimes you'll see them on the collar here. The way that he's doing this stuff makes me feel like he's likely has that type of training, which is really good.
I'm telling you how to go about fixing that.
Give me a fucking pen.
You're not going to complete it right here the way you're acting. Take it
Fine,
home and
I'll
fill
take
it out.
a chill pill.
There's pins right there. You can take it with you. I don't care, man. You're not going to sit in here and yell at everybody.
But your sergeant can sit and yell at me?
You're probably getting met with how you're acting with them.
It doesn't matter.
Look at this lieutenant and his size. He looks like he's extraordinarily athletic. He doesn't look like he has any less lethal options like a taser or anything else on his belt. The lieutenant's size in some ways I believe is de-escalating the situation, because who wants to jump on this guy? I mean, the lieutenant looks like he'll wrap somebody up in a pretzel, which is why I say these things to officers. I never say it when I'm talking about them. It's never to demean them. I want officers to go home. It's a testament to policing when you see someone who takes care of themselves and looks great in civilian clothes and in uniform.
I pay your salary.
Okay. Time to go.
No.
Your time to go, dude. I'm giving you the option of walking out, or we're going to go.
Don't fucking touch
Go.
me, pig.
You're tiptoeing getting some charges.
You pushed me.
Go.
You pushed my arm. You pushed my arm.
Walk, dude. I'm giving you the opportunity to go.
Fuck you. Thug. Thugs. I'll fill it out right here. It makes no difference to me.
And I don't have a problem with that, but you're not going to sit here and yell at everybody.
I don't give a fuck what I do. Yell.
Okay, and there's parameters about going about things. That's how you go about fixing this.
Whatever. It's all the same. Nothing's gonna happen. Wait till I get what I want.
Here's one thing that I know for sure can potentially be helpful for police and the person they're dealing with. Would it not be a good idea to potentially have medical stand by in case you have to go hands-on, because he's saying that he's manic and he's having some type of episode? I don't know if they have a medical person inside the building that they can get to very quickly, but having medical on standby from a liability perspective, if this goes south, you're going to be asked, well, if you saw that he was in this manic episode, why not have medical close by? The other thing I'd like to ask, do we want to send this guy away the way that he's acting into the street, acting the way he's acting, or send him home? These are things that we want to think about. But again, I'm really pleased with a lot of stuff that I'm seeing. It's about de-escalation and professionalism, and that's good.
How is this reported?
What's that?
How is this reported?
You're going to file through an administrative office and there will be an investigation done on it.
How reported?
In person. You're
Jesus
filing-
Christ. It's not in person if you're kicking me out, you stupid bitch. Complaint address. What is the address?
You've made multiple complaints today. Do you want it from the time that you created an issue with my deputy, or do you want it from right here?
What is the address?
The address of what?
This
Dude,
place
hold
right
on.
here.
Here?
Yes!
This is 104 West Front Street.
Business name.
The sheriff's office.
Telephone number.
I have no idea what your telephone number is.
That's your own phone number.
It's right in front of you.
Or it's right there. See? Look, right there.
Everybody's name and badge numbers.
Well, which one are we talking about?
You, all of them,
I'm
every
Lieutenant
single
Moss.
one of everybody who I've seen today.
Okay, and I don't know who all was out on the stop. Like I said, you're not giving me time to do a full-blown investigation on this. I'm Lieutenant Moss. Put that down.
You think they give me time to do a full-blown testament of what the happens to me when they pull me over and take me out the car and put me in handcuffs?
I'm trying to freaking help you, man.
No, you're not.
I'm asking these
You are
guys
not
who was
helping
out there. Was it you on the... Okay, hey,
Get
Nathan.
the out of here. I
Nathan.
told you once already, I don't want to see your face.
Dude.
What's his name and badge number? Badge number. I know his name. What's his
Okay,
badge number?
I don't know it off the top of my head.
What is your badge number?
4714.
Took 15 tries. Thug, how old are you?
That's irrelevant. Nathan,
It's not irrelevant. How old are you? How old are you?
Nathan.
I have spoken about the babyface officer challenge, super young looking officers. People challenge officers when they see that they look super young, and officers who look young have that to deal with on top of sometimes being new. The other thing I'd like to point out is if you notice the officer on the right here with his hands inside of his vest, that's actually a pretty tactical positioning. In fact, having your hands up and ready, I'm sure he can pull his hands out very quickly, get into in whatever type of position he needs to get into. There's a reason why we rest our hands up, and it's very tactical if you train that way because you can get your hands out really quickly and your hands are already up to protect whatever you need to protect.
What are you gonna do?
Nathan, finish your paperwork and
Cold
leave.
blood?
Nathan.
Thug. Multiple time, multiple dates.
What's up?
Thuggish officers use intimidation factors to unceremoniously harass me. No, it's not a systematic technique. Unprofessional conduct creates civil disobedience.
As you see this number of officers, the courts will look at that if something happens, for sure, the number of officers that were there, because that's a degree of force. Having a plan, who is going to go hands-on cuffing, who is likely going to be the taser person, and have that plan and have an alternate plan because you're going to be asked if this goes south.
If you want to treat this town like a slave ship, do it and not the 21st century.
Oh, you're talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
You woke up on me, brother. You're going to regret it.
What are you
I'm
going
telling
to do?
you right now.
What are you going to do?
Do not
Strike
walk
me
up
down.
on me.
Strike me down.
Walk up on me.
Strike me down.
Listen to me. If you want to file this, you need to complete it. Put your name, signature.
I'm not signing it.
Okay, well,
You guys aren't having my slave name.
Okay, well, this isn't a complete. Hey, don't touch me, Nathan. Get back.
Get out of my way!
He
Nathan.
can stand wherever he wants.
No, he can't.
Nathan.
No, he can't.
Nathan.
Don't touch me.
Then step back.
Quit approaching us in an aggressive manner, Nathan.
And you wonder why you got put in handcuffs.
You wonder why?
Time
you
to go,
wonder why? You wonder why? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Next time I come here, it'll do something.
Trespass. You understand?
You have to criminal trespass me then. I need a f***ing citation.
It's a verbal trespass.
He's giving you the first step in being
So
trespassed.
when I need the sheriff's office, what am I supposed to do?
If you're here for an official business, that's fine. You can't just show up and act like this.
This is ridiculous. He forced me here.
Boss, we got a piece of paper for him if you want it.
Okay.
Fuck you.
1 minute, we'll get it.
Fuck you. Thug.
Let's go.
I'll get your paper in a minute.
Yeah, what you gonna do? You can't do nothing.
You will get your paper.
You're just a little bitch crony. Fuck you, stupid f***. What's he finna do? Except harass me and threaten me. That was just a threat.
He's giving you the piece of paper you literally just asked
Yeah,
for.
give it to me.
Okay, then hang tight, man.
Hang tight, leave, do every thing out of your mouth is just a
Nathan, I'm trying to stop.
don't touch me.
Don't go tromping
Look, there's
around.
no reason for you to go
Stand
I
right
told you
here.
to leave. He told you to leave. What are you
Go
doing
over
here?
there. Time to go. Put your hands behind your back.
Grab his feet.
I got cuffs over here. Give me another cuff.
I'm not. Hey, I'm not.
You're under arrest.
I'm not doing anything. I was leaving.
Secure. Stay down.
Can I take this?
Escort position for control, done perfectly. And the lieutenant is not even in uniform and he's still doing all this stuff. This guy, there's this reason why this guy is a lieutenant and he looks like he's still pretty young. When you have bigger people, you take 2 sets of cuffs, it still restrains them, because to put this guy's hands behind his back with 1 set of cuffs would have been very, very difficult. In every sense, I noticed that this police department, really professional stuff here. And this lieutenant is definitely someone that this department can be proud of from what I'm seeing in this video.
You guys told me that you wanted to give me a thing.
That's what you wanted. Let's get him searched. Let's get him searched. Let's get him searched. Let's get him searched.
Hey, can we take a second?
Can you take that? No, we're past that.
Look, I'm not saying don't. I'm not saying don't harass me. I'm not saying don't arrest me. I'm saying, dude, take a second. Can we calm down?
No, we're done. We are done.
Stop yelling at me. Stop pushing me. Stop.
Oh, you got the paper? Oh, sweet. Notice of trespass. Nathan Dennis. You're hereby notified that you're not allowed on this around this premises.
I'll go down there with you once I get him.
This is one straight to jail.
Come on.
someone notify the jail?
This is something that I'd like to mention to you as a person who's been on a CIT team, who has been a negotiator and worked in a very big police department and dealt with a lot of people who have mental health challenges. Think about what it might be like in his head, in his life, or what he's potentially going through. That does not give him the right to go and act like that in public. But are we at a point where we just feel like they just throw these people in jail? Because I don't know that that's the police responsibility. This guy seems like he needs some mental health help, but you have all these officers tied up on this situation. The charges, obviously, which kind of were interesting to me, is the trespass. How can you be trespassed from a police station so you can't go back? But I believe the behavior that he had at the station is what caused the challenge. The police gave him every opportunity that I think that he could have potentially received, and he still ends up inside of a facility. And hopefully that facility gets him to a place to get the help that he needs. In the comments, if you see a person attempting to post saying that it is me, there's only one way that you can post saying that it's me, and you'll clearly see what that indication is with the icon. If you like this kind of content, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the video that's on your screen for more content just like this.